Hi, this is Mike, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to edit a group in the William & Mary Center for the Liberal Arts website. First thing that you want to do is to create your group, and I talked about that in another tutorial, but in this discussion I'm going to talk about editing a group, adding members to the group, things like that. So the first thing that you want to do is find the group that you want to edit. So here I'm looking at the History of Science discussion group. And if you're the editor of this group, if you're the owner of the group, you should see a little edit post link right underneath the title. If not, you can always click edit post up on top when you're logged in. I'll just click on edit post. Now the first thing that you're going to want to do to make sure that you have all of the possible fields is to go to your screen options here at the top right, and just make sure all of the buttons here are checked. The ones that we want especially are going to be the custom fields, but you want to just go ahead and check all the buttons. I'll check slug here. Slug is not checked, but you're not going to really use it. And then once you have all of the buttons checked, now all you need to do is go in and edit your post. So for this post, for example, let's say I wanted this image to be in line with my text. I can do that very easily. I click on the image, I can click on edit image, and instead of the alignment being none, I can say alignment right, for example. And then I can update that, and now the image is going to be aligned to the right of the text. I can add tags to the post, to the group, if I want. I can add categories. By default, the category is going to be group, but you can mark it as other categories if you like. And I'm going to scroll down a little bit. And here is where I can do things like choose what layout we're going to have. The default layout is going to have that menu on the right-hand side. If you don't want a menu at all, you can click the full width content. And I'll scroll down a little bit further. So now here's the author, and you want to keep yourself as the author. And now, if you notice, I've got group members here, and I've also got the owner. Now, the way that you add group members, let's say that I were going to delete this field and start from scratch. So to add a custom field, which would be the owner or the group member, you would see the custom fields area, and you would select, and I would choose group member. And once you've chosen group member as the name, I can put in the person's name here. So Nick Popper here is going to be, I can't spell his name today, is going to be one of the members, and let's say Carrie Bagdasarian was another one. I would just say comma Carrie Bagdasarian. That one I spelled perfectly. And then add custom field, and that's it. Now I'm going to hit update, and I'll view the post. And now you'll see the owner, Georgia Irby, and the members, Nick Popper and Carrie Bagdasarian. And that's all there is to editing and updating your group posts.